The most remarkable moment in life is when you meet the person that makes you feel complete. The person that makes you feel the world is beautiful. The person that makes you realize you haven't figured it all out. The person who makes you realize you can still be surprised. This waterfall embodies those moments. I truly can't think of a better venue for this wedding. It's such a unique and precious backdrop as this.
David, you're the love of my life. Because of you, I laugh, I smile, and I dare to dream more, God.
It's the way that you move, and I'm falling in love with you.
Amber, it's difficult to even express in words how much you mean to me. My love for you goes beyond anything I've ever experienced in my life. Finding your soulmate is not some cliche, but our true love story. From the moment we had that awkward handshake, I knew.
You were the calm in my constant chaos in my head. With you just holding onto my hand, all of my worries vanish. I want nothing more than to share my future with you. My triumphs, my challenges, my joys and my sorrows.
You are the most amazing person I have the privilege of being with. You're funny, smart, and your heart and caring go beyond measure. You take care of me and complete a missing part of my life. Together we support each other and grow, meeting all of our challenges head on, from daunting tasks like remodeling our home to the difficult task of deciding what to pick on Netflix.
You're my best friend and my Jedi Master in life. You continually surprise me with your never-ending knowledge, and I know after all this time, it's always been you.
Your heart is sold in a stone, open Camelot. I came to search it out. It's a silver that glows, and it makes me fall in love with you. Makes me fall in love. Makes me fall in love.
I can't imagine my life without you. But it's not just my life that's lucky to have you, Avery and Noah as well. Seeing you be a mother to Avery and Noah has been beyond amazing.
Avery and Noah, I may not have given you the gift of life, but life has given me the gift of both of you. I promise to love and cherish you both until the end of time. I promise to help guide you through life during the good and the bad times. I am proud of many things in my life, but nothing beats being your mom. And I love you both so incredibly much.
I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love. I think I fell in love yesterday.
I take you to be my wife, my friend, my co-pilot through life, my one true love, now and forever. For it is not plain as anyone can see, we are simply meant to be.